right, everybody, today I'm out in the Sambar. This is going to be a really fun day. Stay tuned. Everybody, today I am out in a K truck. My friend Kyle let me borrow his K truck for the day, and it is a Subaru Sambar that he imported from Japan. Now, one of the really cool things about this particular Sambar is that it's supercharged. It is a 660cc 4-cylinder supercharged K truck, and it's 2-wheel drive. So it's actually pretty peppy for a little tiny truck, and it is super fun to drive. Oh my goodness! We did a timing belt and tensioner on this thing last week, and a water pump, and now we're just putting a few shakedown miles on it before it gets sold. So I get to spend the afternoon with it. I'm going to take it out to the park. I'm going to drive it around a little bit and take some pictures of it. And it's just going to be kind of a fun day. So let's go have some fun with a Sambar. All right, so I made it out to the park with the little K truck. The Subaru Sambar drove awesome. I can't believe how fun this little truck is and how much attention it gets. I had at least 2 or 3 people roll up and they're like, dude, that truck is so cool. I've been looking for one, and all kinds of like thumbs ups and all that kind of stuff. So it's kind of cool driving something like this around and just seeing people's reactions to it. Unfortunately, this one's up for sale and I can't afford it. So I did get to spend an afternoon with it, and that made it worth my time. But yeah, definitely check one of these out. If you get a chance to go roll around in one for a day, do it, because it's a lot of fun. So the Sambar has a 4-cylinder engine in it, which is unusual for a K truck. This one is also supercharged. Has a very small supercharger located right near the front of the engine, or I guess I should say the forwardmost part of the engine. So the cylinders in this face backwards. All right, so one of the cool things about the Subaru here is it's got drop gates for the tailgate and the side panels, kind of like a double cab Volkswagen. So it's got like a little pickup bed that folds down right here, and then there's kind of these old school latches. That hold everything together. And the same goes for the side gates. The side gates kind of fold down too, so you can have a nice flat bed to haul stuff with. Now the only downer about this is this has a CVT transmission. This thing would probably absolutely rip if it had a 5-speed in it, or even a 4-speed. But it's still a really fun truck. It's got AC. It's got AC. There's no other options. But actually, AC in a K truck is probably very uncommon. So, thanks to my friend for loaning me the the truck for the day and let me go out and play around in a little bit. It's been really fun to just go out and drive around and kind of experience what a K truck is like. So one tip, if you haven't driven a JDM car before, the wipers and the turn signals are reversed. So the first time you go to hit what you think is the blinkers, you're going to hit the wipers. All right, so that is it from inside the Subaru Sambar. Hopefully you guys enjoyed seeing something a little bit out of the ordinary. Next week I'm off to SEMA, and it's going to be all videos from SEMA. So don't worry, I'm going to get back to the Rabbit soon. But this was too good of an opportunity to pass up. So I took advantage of it. It's a beautiful day. Cruise around in something I may not get a chance to drive ever again. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys, all you new subscribers, all you old subscribers. Thank you guys for supporting the channel. I really appreciate it. So until next time, get out there and work on something.